Now let's move on to the exercise related to short questions and answers. Answer the following questions. The first question is, what was the advice given by Noshirwan to his people? The answer is, Noshirwan advised people to be just. He told them that cruelty was not deeply rooted in the society beginning, but was at a small scale in the beginning, but it increased and became a custom as a result of the injustice and cruelty of the rulers. The second question is, what was the remedy suggested by the physicians for the disease of the king? The physicians prescribed the bile of a person endued with certain qualities as the only remedy for the disease of the king. Orders were issued to find such a person who was physically fit. The third question is, why did the boy look to the sky and smile? The boy looked to the sky and smiled because he felt helpless. He sought justice from the Almighty Allah against the brutality of the king and materialism of his parents. Fourth question is, what should be the role of a qazi? A qazi should do justice and must have considerable knowledge and understanding of moral and social laws. He should not give undue favor to any person and should not pass any decree that takes the life of an innocent person. The next question is, why did the king weep? The king wept after listening to the boy's words as they exposed his true self, and the miserable condition of the boy melted his heart. He could not control himself and felt ashamed when he reflected on his own decision that he was about to take the life of an innocent boy. The last question is, how did the king recover? The answer is, the king recovered within a week after releasing the boy because he realized his mistake and did not have him executed. Allah Almighty rewarded him for the repentance of the unjust decision made by him previously. So dear students, we are done with the exercise related to short questions and answers as well. I hope you have understood these answers very well. Thank you.